In third place, from the United States, Mia Muro. Also in third place from the United States, Luisa Drummond. In second place, from the United States, Evelyn Adon. And the 2015 Junior International Cup champion from the United States, Fatima Carreno.
Smile.
Division K65, 13-year-old 2024. Will the following competitors please report to stadium immediately? Casey Powell, Eva Alexander, Molly Burnham, Sandra Lopez.